So let's begin with the big story of the day, the politics that is playing out after one of the most horrific and politically charged murders of the 2020 Delhi riots. The killing of the Intelligence Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma became a defining moment of the violence that gripped the national capital. And now, more than 6 years later, a Delhi court has convicted the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain in the murder case, along with 4 co-accused. Now, the 2020 Delhi riots witnessed days of unprecedented violence, with the murder of the Intel Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma emerging as one of its most high-profile cases. Even after being convicted, Tahir Hussain remains defiant. Take a look at what happened when we questioned him.
ताहिर जी, आपको सजा सुनाई है कोर्ट ने, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या? ताहिर जी, आपको सजा सुनाई है कोर्ट ने, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या?
Now, politics has intensified after the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain's conviction. The Congress MP Imran Masood has sparked a fresh controversy, claiming that had Tahir's name been Kapil instead, he would have been acquitted.
देखिए, जो एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, क्योंकि कोर्ट का मामला है, मैं नहीं कहता, लेकिन उसका नाम ताहिर है, ये बड़ी चीज है। अगर उसका नाम कपिल होता वो भी बरी हो जाता।
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. And Sabyasachi, it was the same during the riots as well. There were multiple political leaders who had come out to claim that the ex-Aam Aadmi Party councillor, then of course he continued to be a councillor, Tahir Hussain, was named in the case only because of his religion. Some had claimed it was political vendetta and whatnot. And today, on the day when the court has convicted him for his role in the murder, yet again, the Congress leader going on to make similar statements.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, when you talk about Tahir Hussain, we have seen the stand coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. In fact, they have been trying to shield Mr. Tahir Hussain time and again. We have seen the kind of support he got from the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the very reason, Pratibha, the BJP right now is demanding accountability from both the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party, and they are demanding that Arvind Kejriwal should come out and apologize for the Aam Aadmi Party's continuous support to Mr. Tahir Hussain. And the Aam Aadmi Party, though in their official response, has said that that the ties of Tahir Hussain with the Aam Aadmi Party was severed long back once the FIR was registered against him. But we have seen the kind of reaction coming in from Mr. Amanatullah Khan, who is the Aam Aadmi Party leader. He has not spoken about the people who have lost their life during the Delhi riot, but clearly extending their support to Mr. Tahir Hussain. And also the Congress Party says that they have not extended their support, but in fact they went on to say that Tahir Hussain have the option of approaching the Delhi High Court once again or the Supreme Court. So clearly what the BJP is saying right now is demanding accountability. They are questioning the ecosystem of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party during the 2020 Delhi riots, and how they continue to extend their support to all the accused, whether it is Tahir Hussain or Shajil Imam or Umar Khalid. So they have been continuously receiving support from the opposition party, is what the BJP is claiming right now.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, stay with us, because yet again such apologists are out going on to claim or that it is because of his name that he has been convicted. What is he actually hinting at? Because the court has actually listed out his entire role in the riots and in the murder case, and despite that, such low-level politics continues. Stay with us as we play out this reaction. This is the Congress MP, Imran Masood, who made this statement.
देखिए, जो एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, क्योंकि कोर्ट का मामला है, मैं नहीं कहता, लेकिन उसका नाम ताहिर है, ये बड़ी चीज है। अगर उसका नाम कपिल होता वो भी बरी हो जाता। देखिए, जो एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, क्योंकि कोर्ट का मामला है, मैं नहीं कहता, लेकिन उसका नाम ताहिर है, ये बड़ी चीज है। अगर उसका नाम कपिल होता वो भी बरी हो जाता। देखिए, जो एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, क्योंकि कोर्ट का मामला है, मैं नहीं कहता, लेकिन उसका नाम ताहिर है। ये बड़ी चीज है। अगर उसका नाम कपिल होता वो भी बरी हो जाता।
So Imran Masood going on to say that he has been targeted because his name is Tahir. What is he hinting at? Is he hinting that he has been targeted because of his religion? Because remember, similar statements had been made even before such apologists, and now you have, after the court's conviction, that these statements continue to come in. But the political war over the verdict has continued. The BJP has trained its guns on the Aam Aadmi Party, saying Arvind Kejriwal owes an apology to the nation. The BJP has also alleged that Tahir Hussain was acting on behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party during the 2020 Delhi riots.
Today, Tahir Hussain has been convicted. Satyamev Jayate. It is a conviction of the entire Aam Aadmi Party Congress ecosystem which was behind this anti-Hindu riots. It was not just the murder of Ankit Sharma. He was murdered brutally, 45 times stabbed, and it was an attack on the Hindu community. And the Aam Aadmi Party not only sponsored it, it defended it. It said Tahir is being persecuted because he's a Muslim. Sanjay Singh, Amatullah Khan said it. Then Congress and MIM also defended. They defended Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam also. All the rioters and the accused, the terrorists in this entire anti-Hindu pogrom were defended by this ecosystem.
जब अंकित शर्मा अपने कर्तव्य का पालन करके भीड़ के सामने आता है तो ताहिर हुसैन वो गुंडा है जो आम आदमी पार्टी में अरविंद केजरीवाल का दाहिना हाथ था, जिसने भड़काऊ बयान दिए और जिसने इस पूरी घटना को अंजाम दिया। और आगे कोर्ट कहता है, when the accused persons were acting in pursuance to a conspiracy and common object to kill Hindus, it covered killing of Ankit as well, for the reasons that Ankit was killed because he was a Hindu.
All right, in an exclusive conversation with Times Now, Ankur Sharma, the brother of slain IB officer Ankit Sharma, has welcomed Tahir Hussein's conviction, saying the family has faith in the judiciary. He also questioned the delay, though, in the action against the remaining accused, urging complete justice be delivered. Ankur also said that those facing serious criminal charges or their families should not be given any political space, reacting to the induction of Tahir Hussein's family into AIMIM.
हेलो सर, नमस्कार सर। मैं ठीक हूँ सर, आप बताइए सर।
बस हम वही पूछ रहे थे, कल आपसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। ये जब ऑर्डर आया तो क्या रिस्पॉन्स है अभी फैमिली का? अंकुर जी, प्रियांक बोल रहा हूँ टाइम्स हाउस से।
जी सर बस परिवार की तो सर यही मांग है, जो भी दोषी है उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए, उनको फांसी की सजा मिलनी चाहिए। और सर ये सभी की मांग रही है, हमारी भी, और जो जितनी भी जनता है, पिछले भी सभी लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया, मीडिया चैनल्स ने हमको सपोर्ट किया और सभी राजनीतिक पार्टियों ने हमें सपोर्ट किया कि भाई को इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए। भाई अपनी ड्यूटी करते हुए देश के लिए शहीद हुआ और आईबी की तरफ से भी भाई को ऑन ड्यूटी लेटर जारी किया गया था, हमारे परिवार को दिया गया था, तो मतलब इसके लिए शहीद हो गया। तो मतलब इस परिवार को गर्व भी है अपने भाई पर। और सर दूसरा हमारे परिवार को ये है कि उसको इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए। जितनी बुरी तरीके से उसको ब्रूटली मारा गया, उसका तो कोई दोष नहीं था, उसको टारगेट किलिंग करके मारा गया। तो अब यही चाहता है परिवार, जो भी दोषी है उन सबको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिले।
अंकुर जी, इसमें कुछ आरोपी थे जिनको सजा नहीं भी मिली, आपको लगता है कि उनके खिलाफ भी आप लोग अपील करेंगे?
जी सर, पहले तो सभी जो 11 लोग थे उन 11 लोगों को दोषी ठहराया गया था। अब सर हमें मालूम नहीं है कि उन जो छोड़े गए हैं कुछ लोग, उनको क्यों छोड़ा गया, वो तो वकील जो भी है उनको पता होंगे, मुझे तो उसका आइडिया नहीं है।
आपको क्या बताएगा आपके वकीलों की तरफ से?
जी देखिए, हम तो सिर्फ देखो यही है कि मांग हमारी सिर्फ परिवार जो भी ये दोषी है इनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिले, और जो ये बचे हैं अभी शायद इसके लिए भी कुछ हमारे वकील साहब जो आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे। देखिए,
I thank Sabyasachi for joining us.